everyone, this is Amy here, and my son Asher in the back, and some other kids in the background. Anyways, we are out here on our next adventure. Once we get to our destination, we will check in with you guys later. All right, peace out. Hi everyone, this is Amy here checking in. How's it going? So I finally arrived to the Griffiths Hill shelter. Griffiths Hill shelter is located at the Birds Hill Provincial Park, Manitoba, and we were hiking up the Chickadee Trail. So it's about 2 kilometers round trip with an elevation gain of 0. The highest point of the shelter is 265 meters, and average time will probably take about an hour to an hour and a half to complete, and rated as easy. There is a lot of trail systems here. I believe this is in the winter time it's cross country skiing, and summer is like, you know, hike, walk, run, bike, camp, and beach to enjoy. Anyways, I hope you guys like our YouTube adventures, and if you guys do, please hit the like and subscribe button and stay tuned for our next one. All right, peace out.